A local photographer has a new book out illustrating beautiful pictures of Western South landscape. But as you're about to see, the new book isn't the only place you're going to find his stunning photos.
So I had been shooting stuff out west in Western South Dakota for literally 30 years and started to collect this nice catalog of material and just kind of started to fall in love with the place.
West River is freelance photographer Greg Lotz's new book that depicts the beauty of what's out here on the open prairie that we sometimes take for granted. But Lotz has an eye for how to shoot it and show it in a whole new light.
It takes a lot of time to do a project like this, but it's a labor of love. It didn't feel like work when I'd go out there to do some of this photography.
Photos that capture the beauty of the land and its people.
You'd think that since we're all South Dakotans, we're all the same, but there's definitely a difference between, me being a farm kid in East River, South Dakota from Letcher, and then it's like a whole nother world when you go out west.
Like branding cattle.
So just witnessing that is just a lot of fun. Of course, it's very photogenic. Everybody looks the part. Some of the brandings I've been to are just really, really remote. And it's just like they walked out of an old Western movie.
Lotz's photography skills have been showcased numerous times in South Dakota Magazine. His photos at Lake Ponce, where he has a summer home, are breathtaking. Next spring, Lotz will have an exhibit at the Washington Pavilion dedicated to his work.
He just has a way of capturing a scene that tells so much more than just squaring things up.
West River is Lotz's 9th book. He says it was hard to capture all the beauty Western South Dakota has to offer.
I could shoot this book for the next 20 years and still not be done. That's really how I feel. And I'll never be happy with the final product, but I'm just a real heavy critic of myself. But I hope I did him proud, and I'm eager to do East River someday.
And if you'd like to get a copy of West River, you can find it on Lotz's website or a local bookstore. We'll have a link to the website under this story on KELOLAND.com.